Hallo Leute! So today we are gonna make the very famous cake here in Germany. It's called Käsekuchen. And now come and join with me as we bake.
So for the short crust pastry, we have here 150 gram flour and 60 gram sugar and 1 cup of vanilla sugar and 1 pinch of salt and 100 gram soft butter. And for the filling, this is all what we need. 100 ml milk, 2 packs of vanilla pudding powder, 1 kilogram low-fat quart cheese, and 200 grams sugar, and 2 eggs size medium. And next, we have here 500 ml of milk and citron and set, and also 200 ml oil, cooking oil.